Welcome to Cafe24. Cafe24 is an online shopping mall solution and has been maintaining its top position in the industry for more than 20 years. If you're finally ready to actually start selling your products, we need to integrate a payment gateway to your store. This video will guide you to install a payment provider app, along with how to successfully apply that on your store. First, go to Apps from the main page of the panel, then click on Cafe24 Store. Once you're redirected to the App Store, search Payment, or go to the Apps menu, then the Finance Payment category. Here, you can see a variety of payment gateway apps. The majority of these payment gateway apps are the ones that are used locally in specific countries. Let's take PayPal, the most used payment gateway globally, as our example today. Click on PayPal, then let's go ahead and install the app. Accept all terms and conditions. Click on Activate PayPal. Sign into your business PayPal account. Turn on the toggle where it says Display PayPal Payment Method. Come back to the panel, go to Store Settings, Payments, then to Payment Methods. Then you can see that PayPal has been successfully added to one of your payment methods. As we have mentioned earlier, there are multiple other payment gateways available on Cafe24. Select your local payment provider and finish off setting up your payment method.